What is the correct formula for chromium 4 oxide? First of all, we have to realize that what we're dealing with is an ionic compound. The reason it's ionic is because it contains, it contains a metal and a non-metal. So we have chromium, which is a metal, and oxide or oxygen, which is a non-metal. How do I know that this is a metal non-metal? By looking at the periodic table. Now let's find chromium. Chromium is right here. And basically this is the staircase that divides the metals from the non-metals. Metals on the left and non-metals on the right. And so my chromium is a metal, my oxygen, I covered it here, is a non-metal. So we're dealing with an ionic compound. In order to figure out the correct formula for ionic compound, what needs to happen is we have to first figure out the correct oxidation numbers for the two components of our compound. So here I have chromium and I have oxygen. Now, what is the oxidation number or charge of chromium? If you have a Roman numeral, that is the charge of your metal. For transition metals, we will have Roman numerals. So if you're given a name that has a Roman numeral, the Roman numeral is the charge of your metal. In this case, it's 4 plus. Now, what is the charge of oxygen? You can just remember that group 17 will have a charge of -1 and group 16 will have a charge of -2. Oxygen is in group 16 and it has a charge of -2. Once we have these numbers, what we can do is we can cross multiply them so that each partner gets its partner's number. So 4 will go here and 2 will go here, and we get Cr2O4. However, 2 and 4, they can be divided further. So we're not going to leave it as Cr2O4. We will divide them further. They both can be divided by 2. And so what we will get will be Cr1, but I don't have to say, I can put 1, but usually it's not written, so just Cr, and I have O2. So CrO2 is my answer, which is choice E. This is Maya from Transformation Tutoring. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in my organic chemistry and general chemistry videos. Have an amazing day full of chemistry problems.